Good morning. My name is Milton Hu. Today we prepare oven roast, chicken with potato. For 14, for medium potato, for medium onion, olive oil. First we peel and cut the potato and onion. We put them as best in the tray. They place the thing on the potatoes and onion. Add olive oil. Put chicken in the oven at 200 Celsius. Let it bake for about 30 minutes. We finally serve this enough for 4 people. Bye.